How to download Minecraft on Chromebook 2025. Here is Minecraft working on my Chromebook. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Minecraft working on your Chromebook. Let's dive right in.
Now go ahead and get to your browser and type.
Now make sure to smash the like, subscribe, and bell button, and come join my Discord down in the description if you happen to face a problem.
Type in Minecraft and hit enter right away. Now once here, make sure to find the official Minecraft site with a link at the top, minecraft.net, and click on that. Excellent. Now once here, go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Once here, you're going to see 5 categories. You're going to see games, you're going to see community, you're going to see shop, support, and then account. Now make sure to click on download, which is right under support, and then go ahead and click on that. Great. Now, once here, you want to scroll down once again and go ahead and look for Debian and Debian-based distributions. Once you found that, go ahead and click on that. And once you've clicked on that, make sure to toggle out of your downloads. Toggle out of your downloads and go ahead and click on Linux files. Not downloads, once again, Linux files. Now, once in your Linux files, we have to go ahead and ensure that the name is minecraft.deb. Now, the M is capital. You have to remember this because this is going to be crucial at a latter part of this video. Once we've ensured everything, we can go ahead and click on save.
Here, I need you guys to type in settings and hit enter right away. Great. Now I need you guys to focus on the left panel, scrolling all the way down to the bottom until you find the About Chromeware section. Excellent. Now go ahead and search for the Linux development environment and click the setup button to the right hand side of that. Now once in the interface, I need you guys to go ahead and click on next. Now as you can see, it allows you to customize your username, and so I'm going to make mine GD7OS for the sake of this video, and I'm going to leave it on recommended because 10 gigs is just enough for me, and I'm going to click on install. Now, whilst this is downloading, we'll be moving on to the next step.
Great. Now, once your terminal is done downloading or installing, go ahead and click on your launcher on the left-hand side and type in terminal. And then once that is there, go ahead and select the one with the green and white slash right there. Now, once this opens, go ahead and click on Penguin right under Linux, which should load you and boot you up into your terminal.
Now, go down in the description and click on the link to my website to get the codes from my site.
Now, go ahead and type in cat space /etc, another /, type in Debian and bring an underscore and type in version. Now this first code is important. If you're anything between Debian 10 and Debian 12 or 13, that is very good news for us. Now the next code is sudo space apt space update and hit enter right away. Great. Now once that is done, go ahead and type in sudo space apt space upgrade and hit enter once again. Great. Now at this point, make sure you have my website or you're on my website so that you're able to copy this next code from my website. Go ahead and copy that and paste that right into the terminal and hit enter right away. Now this shouldn't take that long to finish loading. Great. Now once that is done, this is the most important part of this whole video on how to install Minecraft on the Chromebook in 2025. Now go ahead and type in sudo space dpkg space hyphen and bring an I, and then hit another space again, and this is the part where I need you guys to pay attention. Now we named the file minecraft.deb with a capital M, and so we're going to type the same thing here, Minecraft with capital M, type in Minecraft and then do .deb. Now we are bound to get an error, and that is pretty normal and pretty usual, so go ahead and hit enter. Good. Now this error is pretty normal and it's pretty usual, so don't get scared or get frightened in any way or shape or form. Now go ahead and type in sudo space apt space -f, another space, and type in install. Now go ahead and hit Y and hit enter right away. Now at this point, we've basically installed the launcher and everything should be almost ready. Now go ahead and type in Minecraft again, bring another hyphen and type in launcher, and then go ahead and hit enter right away. Now at this point, the launcher is going to download and install on your Chromebook. Now as you can see, Minecraft is now loaded on the screens and it's asking us to sign in with Microsoft. Now if you have an account, just go ahead and click on Microsoft. If you don't have one, just go ahead and create one. Now I'm going to sign in and I'm going to see you guys on the other side of my screen. Now, here are 2 crucial things you need to know. Now, if you're trying to log in and it gives you an error code, try it at least 2 times or 3 times. And also, if it's loading you after you've logged in, you have to wait just a little longer. Don't be scared. Don't panic. It's perfectly working well. Now, I'm going to go ahead and test play this to show you guys that this actually works.
How to download Minecraft on Chromebook 2025 for absolutely free. Now, as you can see, the launcher is right here. We're going to click on single player and test out if this actually works. As you can see, I've downloaded and I'm playing Minecraft on my Chromebook. This is absolutely ridiculous. Now, if you guys want to be part of a Minecraft giveaway, just go ahead and click on this video on screen. Or if you want to know how to get Fortnite on your Chromebook, go ahead and click on this other video on this screen. Now, make sure to smash the like, subscribe, and bell button. And come join my Discord down in the description if you happen to face a problem. With that said, it's your boy GG7 Plays, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.